Hi, so I'm going to show you how to set up an event and invite the class without having to use Classroom. The sounds in the back is a game of indoor volleyball going on in the next room with somebody who doesn't like losing, so it could get loud. In the meantime, let me set up an event. First of all, you're going to make sure that you are using the correct calendars. So I've got here 6.1 main assignment calendar and 6.2 main assignment calendars. I'm going to set up a meeting in 6.1. So I'm selected the main assignment calendar first. If you're not sure that you can't find that main calendar, what you have to do is subscribe, do you say it that way? By clicking on subscribe to calendar, browse resources, and then you scroll up and down until you find the calendar that you want. So I'm already subscribed. If you're not, then it would look like that. There you can go. It's not subscribed there, but now I've subscribed to it. And then I go back, and there's my 6.1. There we go. I'll show you 6.1. There we go, 6.1. Okay, so I'm going to set up an event Monday at 11. So I'm going to call it fictional meeting. And you can't quite see yet. I'll click on more options. And I can add more details. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the guests options. And if I write students, and then you don't have to write the whole thing yourself. If you just write students 6.1, oh look, you can see it there already. It clicks, you can click on that, and what that does is it sends them an email. I'll check everything else, if everything else seems fine. Now what it does, and I'm not going to do this because I don't want to send them this email, but if you press save, it asks you, would you like to send invitation emails to your Google Calendar guests? You would write send, and they would receive an email that they would accept, and then it will come out on their calendar. I'm not going to send because this is a fictional meeting. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this to my own personal calendar. So what I do is I click on it, which I've just done, click on it there, and you can see these three little points. If you click on there, you can copy to your calendar. So there it will say copy to and your name. If you click on there and save, and what you'll find is that that fictional meeting, which is in grade 6, is now also copied into my calendar. Okay, so I hope this helps, and have a nice day. I'm going to get back to the chaos in my front room.